Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Youku account. So if you want to create the Youku account, it is actually very simple. So what you have to do is simply open the Youku application on your device. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Youku application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So in order to create the account, tap on the Me icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on this option Login or Sign Up that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to log in or sign up for your account. You'll be able to find various options. You can sign up with your phone or email, or you can also sign up with Facebook or Google if you want. So tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on this option, use phone or email. Now what you have to do is either tap on this option email or tap on the option phone. Now after you do that, enter your detail. Here I'm just going to enter my email address. Now after you do that, tap on this option next that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, in order to sign up for your account, you'll have to enter the verification code. So tap on this option send code that you can see on the screen. Now a verification code will be sent to your email. What you have to do is simply open the Gmail on your device. So open the Gmail application. Now in the Gmail, Alibaba group will send you the email. Simply tap on that email. Now in this email, you'll be able to see the verification code. Memorize this code. After you do that, go back to the Youku application. Now what you have to do is simply enter the verification code over here. After you do that, tap on this option sign up that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to set up the password for yourself. What you have to do is simply create a very strong password. The password must be of 6 to 20 characters and must contain at least 2 of the following: letters, numbers or special characters. So what you have to do is simply tap on the field of password. Now create a very strong password for yourself. Now confirm the password. Simply re-enter the password. Now tap on the sign up option that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here your Youku account has been created. So like this, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. So that is how you create Youku account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.